Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the new 2023 Bowman baseball. Bowman is going to come with 10 cards in a pack. There's going to be 24 packs per box. This is one of the first products out with their, well, it is their first card in a lot of instances. Has right on their first card. You can get regular and chrome out of it. So let's see what we get. We're searching for Gunnar Henderson, who's on the Orioles in the majors already. And then we have Drew Jones, who is the big hit and has a bounty out for his card, I believe for $250,000. So this is definitely a product that you want to open. Let's just see what they look like, see what we can get. We have also a box break on a blaster, so you can check that one out as well. And you can purchase these on Sports Zone at toyscomics.com. We have a couple left, they went pretty quick. There's Riley Green, Jose Ramirez, Joey Votto, Matt Olson, Soto rookie, and now we're into the prospects. Henry Davis, and there's a Bowman first. Jose Perez, then we got a first chrome for Baez, and Braylon Bishop. So really cool. All the prospects you can get in Bowman, always one of the most collectible, sought after cards. Definitely some you want to get graded for sure. These come out in really nice condition. Wow, look at that. 4 rookies in a row. Riley Green insert. First. And these should be our prospect cards. Another first. Brooks Lee is a chrome prospect card. And a first. Luis Lara. Ooh, Adley Rushman, RC, so there's a nice card. Corbin Carroll, Christopher Morrow. Here's an insert, the Bowman, what is it, Invictus or something? Invicta. There's our prospect. First paper, Drew Gilbert, prospect. Fernandez is first. And Brady House. It's nice too, you get a lot of cards in these hobby boxes. It's always a good thing. Like opening packs. Spencer Torkelson, Max Scherzer, Rhys Hoskins. We're into the prospects. Whoa, there it is. Drew Jones, first card. Definitely send that to PSA, see if we can get a 10 on that. Very collectible right now. A couple prospects. Sorry, I don't know all the prospects in baseball. Definitely do in football. That is definitely my sport. Brett Beatty. Giancarlo Stanton. Ivan Herrera. Here we have a sight on September. Robert Hassel III. Braylon Bishop first. I put these back mostly. We save these in a box. Pull them out in a couple years and you got something. That's what you do with the Bowman for sure. Juan Simon. We greatly appreciate you watching our channel. Please remember to like it and subscribe. It really helps us out. And show it to your friends. There's Julio Rodriguez, Oswald Peraza, Francisco Lindor. Got a Garrett Mitchell. That's a new insert. We have not got one of those yet. Another Bowman first. Ooh, a couple of them. Roderick Reyes, Justin Crawford, prospect. Going through and pulling out our Volpes from years ago. Oh, there's a Gunnar Henderson. So we're looking for that as well. He's off to a little bit of a slow start, but hopefully he'll pick it up soon. There's one of the scouts. #1 prospect out of the top 100. That's definitely something we're going to grade for sure. $20 a card, you can't beat it. Brian Acuna, Drew Gilbert, and a first. We're going through right now too. The Reds, what is it? De La Cruz on the Reds. He's red hot. He had a really fast bat speed, like #1 ever bat speed. So now everybody's going nuts for his cards. Out of Bowman, his first. Ooh, what is that? Henry Davis refractor, like a nice refractor. Corey Seager, Brandon Crawford, JD Martinez, Salvador Perez. What in the world happened here? There's our autograph. It is Joe Stewart on card. Yeah, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but there's like indentations there. So there's the rookie auto. Couple more first. Looking for that chrome first on Drew Jones. Couple more packs to go. Didn't want to tear. Maybe there's something good. Garrett Mitchell, rookie. Nolan Gorman, rookie. Vlad Guerrero. Michael Harris II. It's a big prospect for the Braves. Hector Rodriguez. Mesa. Another chrome prospect. And a first. Yeah. Trey Turner, Wilson Contreras, Fernando Tatis, Max Meyer, Justin Verlander. It's weird seeing him on the Mets. There's first. Couple chrome first. All right, let's get another one here. Thanks again for watching the channel. If you'd like to pick these up in store, we open at 10:30 every day, and we have them by the pack in the store and by the box, so you can check that out. Yeah, we're not going to pull the chrome. Thank you so much for watching. That was your 2023 Bowman Hobby Box. We've got them by the pack box. Blasters. Check it out, sportzoneToysComics.com. Thank you and have a nice day.